friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. In previous video we learn Task UI Manager, some UI of Task UI Manager. These are the UI that we have learned in previous video. So today we are going to learn Active Project UI page. So let's see that page. Okay, in this page, this is template. These are buttons. This is label, and this again is frame view, which have labels, and this is progress bar. So let's see the coding so you can understand well how it going to design. So in scroll view, I have taken stack layout. Under the stack layout, I have added label and frame. This is label. uh, this is custom entry text box. This you have to write code for this in both project Xamarin, Android and iOS. So we will look at this. This is the custom entry. You can find if you google it, you can find this code. You can copy and code, and obviously I will share this code. I will share this link in the description box, so you can copy this code. So this is the code where you can write in main project. I name it as custom entry, and which is inherited by entry. And after that, you have to create a class for custom entry render. You have to use assembly of custom entry that you have created in main project, and uh, this is the class in this in and in which or Android in Android project you will create this class. Uh, so it is inherited by entry renderer, and same you have to create class in iOS. So same you have to expose this assembly from main project and from iOS project, and you can copy this code from the link I will share in the description. So I have kept this custom entry in frame, and I have kept this margin as -20 because the frame already have padding. So to remove padding, I have used margin -20. So it will remove padding and it will look great. I use frame to look nice. In if you use custom entry and if you use frame, you will look different. You can try it. After that, I have used collection view. This is collection view, and for collection view I have used template. This is the template, and in main frame, main control is frame. And this is x data type dot mod class name. If you use this class name, it will be very easy to binding property name. For example, I can get IntelliSense. If you don't use this x dot data type, you can't get IntelliSense. If you write the correct correct letters, then it will bind. But it will not come in the IntelliSense. So I suggest you to write data type. Then in the frame, I have added grid. Grid will have frame, and in frame it will have image. Again I have kept this margin as -20 because frame has already padding. So remove padding. I have added margin. This is the frame. So you will not able to know that the image is kept in frame, or it will not show the padding. So I use margin. After that, these are the label for name, status, uh, deadline, and task left. And this is the progress bar. We will see the class. This is the image, name, status, color, uh, color I have used here. If it is if it is more than 70, then it will show green. If it is less than 70, then it will show orange. If it task is not completed, then it will show in red. Then task left, this is progress bar, which is in double data type. After that, you can add grid. You can also write row definition in grid control, and in that grid we will have uh, three labels: recent, today, and upcoming. I have added click event to that label. After that, I have added two list view in the same row. This having a template task view and new task view. Let's see that template. This is the template. I have already explained this in previous video, but I am explaining this again. This is the stack layout having frame, and frame will have labels and progress bar. And this is bind with the class task view model, and another is new task view, which will have frame and two label and in the frame. So on the button click, I have said that if one button is clicked, the button which is selected will be highlighted, and if it is not other two will be not highlighted. It color will get dark gray, and if it is selected, then it will be dark blue. I have set in three of them on the button click. Okay, hope you understand this code. If you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section. I will definitely explain it to you. And please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.